Welcome in a new course in Revit 2019. It's completely free from A to Z. Make subscribe and follow our videos under Revit 2019 course playlist and check other playlists also. Thank you. Let's start. We will speak about how to add grids in Revit. In the previous video, we will speak about how to add the level, and there is too much similar between the level and the grids. So let's start to know first thing. If you go to architecture, from here you can make a grid. Grid is vertical plan. You can say this vertical plan, and this vertical plan he cut your project from lowest up to the highest point on the project. So let's start to draw it. First, you need to go for any plan. As example, I will go to level 0 and I draw grid from data. Take care when you click on it, he give you here modification and build here some information, and you need to start a drawing. There is different thing here to draw. I will start with line. If I need to make line, take care. I can make line by snap. I can make from here or from here as you need. For me, I will make from here. I need to be from here up to here. Take care. When you make the first one, he give you this one, but because I draw before, he give me this too. But take care, when I need to draw again in any level like this, I will draw the vertical grid first. He will give me this 3. He make automatic this 3. Not this only. If I make Ctrl Z and I make this edit for this as example x1 as example, and I need to draw number 2, what he will give for you automatically will give for you x2. But take care, if you make modification here, he not give modification here, so you must first be sure what you need to type in the first, and the second one will follow the first one automatic. Okay, the same thing we speak about levels. When I click here, this checkbox about the bubble, and here also as you need, and from this small bubble you can make move from here, and also you can move this as you need. From here I will told you this modification about how to modify, but not now. The other thing we speak about, this is the other way to draw. If I click here, I can create similar and go the same step, but take care, I can't use the second one if I not have anyone from this, because by logic he told you make similar. If I not have, I must select first one and make create similar. So this one create similar you can make when you already have at least one grid or element for other thing. I will go here and draw start end radius as example. If I need make like this, I can make here from here to here, but I must make the snap. Okay, for me I will make from here in the point here. I can make like this, and the same thing I can make here checkbox and put here, and as you like you can make edit for this if you need. Okay, if I create similar this one and create similar, take care, the other thing he told you, this center in the arc. This means the first point is the center, after this you put arc, and you can make in this direction or other direction if you need. There is one of most important in this is pick. Just you pick here, you can make directly one grid, but take care, he give you as an element for this from here to here because he pick, and you can make modify also if you need. Take care, you can, if you come here it will give you right. If you come left, it will give you left. Okay, you can make offset. The other thing is create similar and multiple segment. This, when you take care what happened, I will go to the when I make segment, you open another one for the segment. All of this is for segment. In this one, you can make what you need. Maybe you need make this one segment, and after this, you can make this one as example here if you need, like this and this. Take care. He makes this one segment for the grid. This is not familiar to much, but this is a tool you maybe need. If I make create similar from here, this one I can make by pick like this, and after this edit, or if you draw from here, you can make snap directly and make extension and draw. And he give here, he write for you for blue, this is the angle. When he give you any dimension by blue, you can write what you need. You can make like this directly on your keyboard. I will make this. After this I can make edit. Okay, I will make Ctrl Z for or this or cancel, and I will make something for this as example. Now I need to draw. I will write from here. I will make, now I work with vertical. Now I will draw the horizontal. I will make from here as example. I need from here up to here, and I need to say this is Y1. After this I can make similar from here, and I will told back and give back. I can back from here, or I will draw directly from here by the snap. Here he makes snap for me. After this I can make this one, and also there is modify. If I make this by error, this is modify. We will speak about this by details, but now you can make align. What align? If you click here and say align, you told him I need this one to be in this level. Okay, align what? He told you what? This one, put here. Okay, I will draw 2. Let's come from here up to here. No problem for me. I will make checkbox here and here. After this I can make create similar, and from here also I can make this one, and after this I will make here and make this to be snap here, and this to be snap here. Okay, this small example for how to add grids, but this is have more than 90% of the ideas about how to draw the grids. Thank you, and see you in another video.